106.3. And now you will create a Ghana jet to the do create a Ghana yedin. No be any baby, nobody there anywhere. No be a Teddy ever. But I did your way see a Shannon so sister, brother. O manya ye wo me wo ho menja ka ho me say obi ani ba bi obetimi ya beboa yen enye nne ene ye kopa besia efiri aman foforo so ene ekuo ene abadwaku ahodo ho emu World Bank ne IMF ne abesia hodo ayebo enye nne de ye hase sa besia ne nyina nipa na ye kɔ wo ho kora kwagye sa besia no one more time ya ba ne World Bank abedi echire mbaji sika sam de be kwa mbaji sika sam de be si hospital no abehwe no ko asa de echire ye ne se oman na yetim no yenya na yebetimi aye yade yi enemre kura no yebu bese na obi nhwe obi ba wo ready Donald Trump aye wa America echire wo se ye man obi ntimi embe yo man no mayen yen and your baby mine. Now, on my bia and what can the phone union pahono or mine and ye across the globe. On my bia, but we say a munipa penny for dear nimu and mini nipana at a manimuno. Now, will boo on queen, sour mino and ye. If you say, Ekwabane sa de bia no be wini osugu ne yam di ne yam na ye ne ya we wie school otifie onya djuma nye we wie nursing training college otifie ye ntimi posting no we wie teacher training college otifie ye posting no medical doctor otifie ye posting no we wie university otifie ye posting no otene ma me nchen odadidi ne ma me ho ekoso sa o man no enye ye Adebiesi omenyim na say yedidi agro. But I don't know what is happening. Nana, with all respect to you as my president, I salute you this morning, Your Excellency. Corruption drive on a fight, you know, as wabamabu. Nana? I say vim na what now? What's about fighting corruption? No, as a jiagu. Because the Esha sitting in as a elastic, you know, do no elasticity point. Ya chuma and edro, and just idea no, a sign corner say, because issues sleepy or what. And ya dear nya fed yasi evidence. No. And now, Health Minister Kacha and say Central Medical Stores. At least we started the investigations. What the information that we had, we gave it to the BNI. Information yen mene fadromo asa ne Felix mo put it together. We investigated it. We gave it to the BNI. We gave it to Yoko. And yeah, Yoko says, "Yeah, boss, Yoko boss, dada." We gave all the necessary information to them. We were invited to the national security 8 times. Yeah, 8 times I was invited to the national security to give details of Central Medical Stores, how I gathered the information, the names I put out, the time, the dates, and everything. And I gave them that report that Adom FM, DWASO NSEM FABÆWOSO prepared. We gave it out. Investigation. Forensic. Forensics. So what's happening? But in Ghana on manya yetim say na kay ambulance 28. Upa jidi upa jai. I am telling you. Upa jidi upa frobia no bi sun twa wontro say you 50 you one boa. If anybody is telling you anywhere say Ghana ye ambulance 50 obwa na che say region bi awo 5 enye sa obwa western region woni ambulance aka 1 the whole of northern region there's no ambulance. Upper East region there's no ambulance. Ashanti region aka 3. The whole Ghana, a population of 30 billion, aka ambulance 28. But the fan say 30. Let's just say, ufe nipa 1 million biya ambulance ba akona serve womo. This is the kind of a country we live in. Ufe nipa 1 million biya one ambulance and a serve 1 million people. Modern day 21st century Ghana. A little history about the National Ambulance Service. Oma pani je kufuwa na tiyo na ye ni bi wa Ghana ha. Na ye ni National Ambulance Service awa Ghana ha o tong ni ye ni bi. Ade akwafa ba ye May 9th. Ano kwa si yi abanya. Ana mdrafi o. Baby. 2001 and 2002. Or whichever 2000 it happened je ku first time. I don't remember the year. May 90 Syria yano. And hey, akwaba say oh report na committee ni ye no kire say sankana ambulances ewo ho. And fa enipa no call hospital ntama. Anka nipa bebrebe na wu ye no keso bete. And tikase aso dae John Ajekum die wu okufo. Ete national ambulance. No the ambulance makoma 7. Ede shase. So you shared ambulance adwuma se Ghana na ambulance na 7. Any of the shots here. Sambakaya, I remember 2006 President J.A. Kufuor eko Australia. Now ko Australia no 6th match kotono ho wamba Ghana mbe this match. Na kroma ha Ghana ha mpanifo tamso no mu I remember Kwesi Pratt very well. Woman tamso J.A. Kufuor mu say hey 6th match edru what you obi krom want to me amma na je Kufuor ni Ghana for na Australia that time I celebrated 6th match you know and Alihu Muhammad that's right no na vice president ejirem Independence Square edma His Excellency J.A. Kufuor that day wo mu wie no most of the time yeah 6th match we are aye anwumre no aban ne party e man penifo be invited guests bi there but that year no yanye eti J.A. Kufuor fi Australia ba no and or sign negotiate here or co program ho on former Chancellor of Germany, Chancellor Kohl, and a coy. Not a boy in Becky can no win ho. Na system match the quarter President Kufuor. And oh yeah, can ya no so Australia by say you better ambulance be why they work say atiase. It's President Kufuor but no could a list of 22 ambulances. TJ Kufuor by no did 22 no back 7 ne ho. Na yeah 27 ambulances. Ebi amadium. And odifri abem. And His Excellency Professor John Evans Fifiara Mills, yamin fa ne kransie yi. Ono so bae. Oba no beto Fiat ambulance. Beto bi gu ho kama. And which no and only 40. And so, and negotiate here, no more VW ambulances to be back home. See, and again, and you know, your ambulance na ya wano, and shorty say who. After now, John Juan and J. Ghana ambulance, some started say, Sabi, with all respect, as say Jimmy Poto, our 2013. That is when we started facing serious problems. Our ambulance service, our Ghana. So in 2014, and I buy any and Adrian said, Obek ambulance for from Makumako 100 Abba. And I buy cost sign contract. And that Mecca Bibia, Makato said, I have finished and I have these details. Well, I want yes, and I keep saying the only thing you can do to us is to go to court. And I buy the committee 16 million euros. Say yan fan kwa ambulance mra say okay say ambulance bi ba say trotro ambulance bi ba e say your friend say aboso kamacho ene ye kokrae begu krom ha say poto say ya me no ka say Minister of Health, listen to me and listen good. Mercedes Benz is your best sue Ghana, and I'll bring you a copy of their letter. Best sue Ghana. Ebusia Ghana buying eco science a contraji say company no Emma Modiana fa ambulance mre tie agreement between Big C General Trading LLC and the Republic of Ghana, represented by the Ministry of Health, for the supply of 200 ambulances, 200 ambulances and related services. And who can you now yet 16 million USA dollars. Euros. And I buy a committee this money. Say I'm fan kwakra ambulance namra. Ambulance ni bo. Ya kwa swap baller. Abegu krom ha say ambulance. That's ye. Report ni. Ambulance na ya kwakra ba the pictures di. Ambulance na ya kwakra ba ye no. Ya say ya sprinter bus. Mercedes o. But what we acquire report no share car and say enye Mercedes dada kra dada. One, apart from no kra no bonnet na tare car no hwene no so bonnet no kra na enye Mercedes bonnet car no bonnet no wotuma ento ya kra dia bagana 16 million euros. Ana ashekwa na tiai afena mbenya adagena makanya ma ana pena fojo kan o se brofo we dia sosoro nam se nipa otro brofo e professor ambulance na ye se ye akwa akoto no sabia buru sabia nyaado ya huni nyansa anka se ye wo National Ambulance Service ye wo technical department e wo ho a wo metimi akwa akohwe ni yetimi ato ambulance na dia ba ye tam 16 million euros na ni ade share kwabra ne nsam se kopema ye, and the whole Bank of Ghana minti bidda in the history of this country. So Bank of Ghana and the Rezi LC. Hey, Bank of Ghana and the Rezi LC. I'm a big C. So big C no onya na onkoto ambulance mfamre. Big C no so yana sana company wa fa de Japan. Ono so be shem finfin. Mama be kan ho asema ba ma menka won brofo yi ma. On the 5th of February 2015, ambulance na bedru na afa ya win se no afa ni wo be hunu nyansa se yen konkofa obi mra from National Ambulance no onkohwe sa ambulance na aba ne ye papa tie brofo nan. I humbly submit the attached report on post-delivery inspection conducted on the first 10 Benz ambulances delivered to the National Ambulance Service for your perusal and further action. I have to elucidate that the defects identified are very crucial and serious. This is the English that was written by the head of the National Ambulance Service. The defects identified are very crucial and serious for the safe operations of the National Ambulance Service. Sir, and yama omo hu say enye say ye dia dada say ye ambulance na ambulance no sa na no so mu didi agro ketewa bia beku nipa kura chance ambulance ni ho. And if they are not rectified, it will seriously jeopardize the operations of the ambulances. What I say yanya e best say adwuma no kra. Pragmatic steps should be taken to ameliorate the defects identified with the vehicles that have already arrived in the country, and that all vehicles yet to be shipped should meet the basic requirements as per recommendations before shipment. Vehicle details. Vehicle details. car na buy any nyina patro me menton car da patro mpese mbusa mu amoton cars na ya mutimi crack car e bia Land Cruiser 20 na makra bom no patro car makoma ko 10 chassis number yepe patro me men crack car da minim matoka da me tobi but men crack car mom say 5 6 10 say company ba ko e bia Toyota Mercedes Benz Alfa Romeo mama me cars 10 how on earth now bet me I catch them say cars are crabani nyina no they have the same chassis number yeah no mama I say because it came from the same company okay accepted Ford what you see Ford and think you see Ford or Chrome Hen sense Ford no Ford company in the manufacture car nti as I say one you know the same brand no you see the same chassis number na car na yira na sa key ni say how do we get a new key for you yamfa no ntoncha yen womo kan say car na womo kwa kraba no year of manufacture no afia ye car no as I say yemo no afina ye kwakta ambulance na mu sa afina mu car na sese ye de ba esese ye 2014 Mercedes Benz aye de be ye ambulance ekoba ya ate afina so ba ko de akoche 2013 report de akoche 2013 na mamemfa na mako na men kan kirew say what for branding now my ye car no ho na prevailing conditions on the 10 ambulances branding the red yellow and green retro reflective stripes have not been professionally made they are loose ends untied and rough edges with series of air bars this could lead to easy peeling off of the strips where yeah once na ambulance na eba red gold green ye dey line esensem e no ya anya ne ye sika ye dey yes ade no e ye 1.7 million euros and ye wire de ata ambulance ho 1.7 million euros and ye wire de atar ho wa branka ye de bagana hakra ne ye de kwa boso kan a ke benya Ghana mabunu like what me dia ta ho amaye ye de teta ho ye de ambulance red gold green ye de atare bonkum ye de atare nifa 1.7 million euros every ho bedru krom ha ye se ade ne yanta ne ye ade ntine ba sa ye so ship na heat wom nonsense ship na heat ewom heat ben ya eti no 1.7 million euros kokwa you charge 870,000 euros. Say the national ambulance crest. Better ho e buy crest no any ambulance no. Sikano wo here for don kan san kabashine. Sane kano. Kabashie mane. 840,000 euros e kabashie here mane. You ekọ crest no enter ambulance no ho. Bonnet in the maka ho asem ye to ento top of the back door esese we ye ambulance esoro no back door esoro ho no ye timi tro code now press wo fra ambulance 193 no ye tro ho and your man GS kekese 70,000 euros and ye de tro 193 e be Ghana aba yeah, throw 193. Egu ambulance here 70,000 euro. And also buy a yantro. 70,000 euros no here. Kabashe here mane. And also akwa. And also ama. Yamfa no ntoy. Working lights. Say car na ekwo no. Ambulance na kwara se kofa yafo anadwo a. Ese se kanea e wo car nim. Te say that no ye kan ye. Na ambulance ni so fion light ni ambulance ni e fion light ni mo so mo ntwan ye ba ye betwitwa de ye de light na be hyem wo Ghana ye betwitwa near the light no abeshem ewo Ghana to light enim afai me will be the ambulance any seat belt. There are no seat belts. Na seat belt na kura no seat na kura bi nim near the seat belt that seat no seat and no seat belt. Enti car na ba ye no investigation a chese used containers cargos ya de fa cargo Dubai. Obi dia company ba kon cars or de fa cargo. Se say my dia de fa tomatoes ne ya de fa a man money ade e ko makola ne ade koton. Wagije si baby. Ne yakọ swade abraye ha say 2013 model of ambulance 16.5 million euros. Ekọ kwa. Sa wo fa ambulance ya obi a friend patient trolley. Ebi nchem. Sa ye ba ne ye be fa wa firi ufi a ye pagya wa ye mfa ntu nipa nsa so ye do be to trolley de so ne ye do akọ ambulance nim. De edebo na te sa apampa. Emma mienu na ye de hyehye ho no na wo ho ade ase ye de ahoma no beba besa so. Eno so ama. Ena fa say wotimo a esesa wonya ye fa bibi wa ambulance hand grab. Esa wogina ambulance na sa wo ye nipa no ho adwuma eye EMT do say ogina ho wie say ya ogina stay for aho a na sa ofisa bia car ne co speed na caps na ade na do so a ba bi o esesa o de ne nsa so na wetimi de nsa ba akona timi ahwe patient no e wa ambulance no na wanwu eno so ahom so mba ye betwitwa ne de abehim eno so nhye ho ye ba ye betwitwa na ye de ahyehim nti hand grab rail no eni ho patient side seat eni ho cabinet na ye di nro no ahyehyem nti nro nkakran ebe hyehyem kama enti ye tam wotu mu na no that is say emergency medical technicians na wo ho ambulance no they can work on you before you do bedu hospital and so anywhere wo here so ye ba ye betwitwa ne de abehim slash doors of cabinet no cabinet ba ko pe na wom anya kura na say nya 15 cabinet one na wom ba ko no so de da no na ye de babie no so ni ho so mba ye betwa ne de abehim ti yen ambulance no kwa de ye twitwa na ye de hyem any drawers na dia ya pa ne say ambulance bia de ma ne ye ambulance ye nduro na ye de gum no eno no ye fe no on board medical equipment eno bi na ye oxygen eno wom ye wo heart clippers wo ho ye wo ECG scans ne ene ma na de wom sa ne ma ne nyina almost 7.4 million euros no enim e wo here omse ye ba ye betwitwa ne de abehim enti eden na akra de bra mikrom ha say ambulance eye wo mu wie no mpa wo mu ho asem ene omse o da be ye ntiase mo se sa ade no ye Mercedes Benz dia and your company be Chrome Ghana high fan Silver Star Auto Limited, General Distributor of Mercedes Benz, Openi Mustafa Kalmoni, and the C109, our Silver Star Towers, ground floor, Airport City, DTD 192, Cantonment Accra, Ghana. No, yes, I report to you. So, most at the end of Mercedes Benz, the end of Silver Star for Mamco Head of my country, Tiwomo report. First thing is a wrong specification of base unit to be identified as Mercedes-Benz. I'm trying here. A wrong specification of base unit. And to be Mercedes-Benz, man, yet that. And so you're Benz car. Not suitable for the conversion into ambulances. And Crofonica say, "One bet you try the Ashishim, can you cry and can you? Then so Mercedes Benz for Kohan or some more Buagana tongue. Yeah, Moyan day won't be converted at the way find your ambulance at that. Because I said, you see, building Mercedes ambulance and only a converted Manabayan, yes, said, you know, into Moya day won't be converted. I want a copy says that your company being used as cargo. Oh, Dubai. Course, Dubai. I don't know what aha. Number 3. Or see VIN number shows specification for a UAE market cargo. It is here written. Okay. Codes of the vehicle suitable for minibus conversion. That's a car no. Aya de buy na yesi ye ambulance ntia tua 16.5 million euros. Sa car na buy no ade e betimi dia nya se betimi dia minibus. Enti ye de ko aboso kan ana na yatam ko ye de kokuma se magazine no matwitwa no mo de seat yesim. Kaneshi roko kaneshi roko and ye betim dia trotro. We silver star for report. Mam fancy Monday. We'll continue this. Now, me pese mbusa say we report we ye here forensic she. Japan company no wamu ha and no health minister catch and say we invited say omra no make sense bi. Mr. Minister Obama yoko for me fa no. Oba my yoko for me fa no. I have given a copy of this to the yoko and I am waiting for an action. Cause one a friend me na catch him so make us say den crofo be crofo fie me nyai no betimi aye aduma no ti be jai. We have given a copy of this report to Yoko. How on earth? Now our country be more under the sun. And idea we be see ajib mata Ghana. Enti obi otie akura bi ase go mu ayamfro larbanga obi ti ho akachi abo womutiti wammo wirem no akotua VAT no akotua tax na abanya keka bo ano owie na yese de koto ade aba na wo de akoto ade ye e de abran but ye aya na womo nenam ho ba Kwame Nkrumah say change when it is denied or too long delayed. Violence will break out here and there. Not that men planned or willed it, but the accumulated grievances will erupt with volcanic fury. One day, it will surprise you. When you na what name, 0302216561 216562 0302216561 216562. Monday we'll continue this. Monday we will continue this. As a Ghana inana on my kakrakati say ni patete melu akay ambulance 28. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Agri Nungwani.
Agri Midas, Pacho Mamintio.
Captain, welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
Mania Japan said, where Masato ne ewo Adom FM. Na Lingan say, Ghana for ye ni pabone for papa. Na yen juni yen hu baku. Na si ebe koswa ni etie ni yesi enfani kokot, yesi enfani yesi ya enko si hwe. Intimate the bia the American say nipa say ya kan say yenya report now about what the person has done straight away. Anka ye fio kwa ni nasem. Enti edu ba bia na me mpa e bonus anka e bi say jerim time na bi mbasa ba anka emra biem because ya hwe hu say democracy nya de bebo a o my Ghana yi. Oni nyame nya dwuma.
Onso no nyame ntra ba bia wo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain Smart.
Ebucha mamintio.
Apom ti say.
Nyame adome ho ye wonso e.
Make us free ekwapem aprede.
All right.
Your friend a lot.
Okay then.
In fact, anope doctor kasa say akumayale. Sanse mu bia na yete ama akumayale ne ba no. Because wo dwuro ho a won ti ase. Avotu ama ye mpanyi for so mo be show man sumaye. Eso said the binu ye in fact, what ya na wo kwase show. Nyame sha onu wudwa pa wudi.
Osha wonso. Hello.
Sir.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning. Apom ti say.
Nyame adome ho ye mpacho mamintio.
I'm the samaton ha. Yeah, we chief weather. Obibini ba akwa maka waburi.
Yo.
Captain.
Minia.
Unim aya adwomboni o. Aya adwomboni on obia chese yesomo obia penyana. Na minim say aya fans de wapoto no onchiri so de bebom. But we de chese wo fa ni nyina di o. Oh, Ghana. You say nyame bam. Thank you.
Also, thank you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Nana kwasi brekum.
Nana kwasi me da ase.
Me to ababi wo na me yakwafia. Bye.
Oh.
Jim FM.
Hello.
Sumjen ka.
Enka wonso.
Ni ma die si ya so ya opa kwantu dodo. More times you tese ya ni ehun se na o man eko. Enti ya susu tu kwan na bodwuma ni enti o se ya. Oni nyame ntra.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Ebushama Mintio.
Where do you know Quaba?
Major so.
No crana na ya wokano. Na kaya nyamoso be ni pamia sa Ghana ha. E kan remi ya wana so wanka Ghana be yesa bruchiri. Ya wokan na so mo ntio. Wo mo te na so mo mfa. Akoya ye ntio bia syndrome. Your friend is saying, Obi bano kase to abama me anya wo hu na odwin. Ono ni botomi na busuafo. Where did you mean no nya pregu from no bepe so besisa. Fiase last go kan ubisa question bi. Aban AC hospitals wo Ghana ha. So politician bi anya kata mpo a no kwa bruchiri. Aha hospital na hefo na enko. Your friend me pasolo. Me fi odmaso krobo. Oni na me nyadwuma.
Also the nyame ntra baby awon. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Pacho Mamintio.
Captain, some of can see Mantri. What's it? You go for CJ, baby. I walk on. I would man for a man for Pierre Jai.
Some bit me, I match it home.
Oh, yeah, Mamma, who are Mr. Jai. Man, what do you go for this? Captain, my lazy boot to American say that was one of my corner.
Oversee a call.
Aye,
Macquaco catch him say for so month, and here Beco.
Aha. No, can what chance on him? No,
hello, good morning.
Yeah, Captain on radio. Yame ask me Papa.
I'm in account.
Akwabanso.
Yeah, ja.
Una berma Obama. Mesom ewosumu.
Medase.
Captain. Ubajuma. Na bibisa say san kofo na omudi anim na mko class ambulances no. Omo hefa, Captain. What kind of Ghana resources keke? Na sama ko tus kan lagu. Ana ma be hwe Ghana nim saa keke na. Be me ka say impedifon ka mo no mo so. Be bia sika na fa bia no. Ya nhwe say the whole Ghana ambulance of Ghana kura endu 60.
50. Me say 28 as 50.
Wa abrafu sama keke. Obi it's emergency banner is ambulance edi nipa na arase ako emergency ward. Ye ambulance ayi say ko fast not na. Ye be say impedifon for me Captain Obama.
Medase, hello.
Hello, Captain.
Aja.
Hello, to see the Aguna Swedo.
Medase.
Captain, Emisha.
Amen.
It's my bantem. Like I can say, we be no return. Captain, you do nipabi, and I come home with you, me. Kagana Bear, de. Been a sports ministry, I've been with IGF. Usha, Yana, journalist, journalist, been soon yet. Or Koji, we all that should be no con. Captain, me 2006. Judge BJG, I could be a national catcher in there. We had a customer. You charge on a for 10 years. And I'm a Christopher. Some of you will be also most win our castle. When that why you fool could say no caca. When you are so full, so why a bonnet blame bomb pie. That's I don't know. When you said, what no copa, when you are not the number. Into Damna yet, a before, not Christian for your own papa. Captain, Mauke na Sankofina, what you? What's it? We could chop with Bradeco, na what number 20 years. No, like I say, for evidence of that. I don't know where we will be any for evidence of that. Look up to the when you
that's the for the very last caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Patrick saying.
Adom Boko.
Great. I'm into you.
Me don't answer the phone.
Answer me that.
Your regular listener. Okay. Captain Geda is a reaction on Sunday Abedi. Now, the American says, in for the beer, young cow won't and now so won't enter. Captain Sikana won't in Yano. And Radia won't be to near the Ama after one. And I'm also nothing will be who Sikawa and Sa Ebekano. What the best out war and what Yalesa could say was war it near Echo sooner how I going to be. And when maybe near me cano and say in Penifuni Yambo Modern. Na young country titru on my penny. Obia on your nejuma yes sane keke na mum yan ensire no na yan gi yan isika efri wo nche obre pa na wo bebre ni ebe nam ne so a yan be hwere okra bia wo Ghana no ono nso obefa so pepe ni a eto no obefa so pepe ya misha mo ira
ya misha wonso yan fa frefo no ensia hye ne so amesa Kolongana Limited ne so asene ye de FABƐWƆSO bre wona no pay we ye be mana bia wodun so na wo hunu amane wo ma bomoden ne nya botre na unya hunchon capsules ne bia ebeboa wodun so a emma ebia ne moja wechire wote ya obi obe memo a wohia eno so ebi eno achi no bia waye mra kakra wohia recharger ebeboa mo di mema sempa kama DBS roofing sheets eno de ewo hopa eye true eye reassuring eye original eye authentic papa wonte ya to ye bo ase ne yaye efre no su aborobo se nsu oto ewie bo eden na besio efintimi ngina so se de kala ne te no saa ne te fefefe saa DBS se yen kanche bium so se ebia na woni sika ho wo beto bo ase na watua ne kakrakra ne ye ne ye kro no esansa de ne ye papa nti wotwa ye ma 20 years warranty. Tinyadi SSO Diagro friend 0543 268 637 0577 619 102. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof aspect. Franco Trading Enterprise and so our phone papa fio ko kanto ko wa ye the phone ebebo latest phones ya baby or horn accessories ne laptops and accessories tablets flat screens ahodo ne bo no so da fom pa se de beya bi no mienu ina na yebetimi atobi ukwada Bracopsid Roxy Cinema Osuopsit Eco Bank Circle close to Other Rice Tema Opsid Waterworks for Tema Community 1 and Afe Medina Old Road Opsid HFC Bank Hacho Ewo Opsid Hacho Station one Kofodia All Nations University College Aquino so Afe Hoso Ewo Co Market Road opposite Amagashi Building Udru Kaswa one opposite Kaswa Polyclinic Fre 0302 225 651 0546 133 188 Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa efi Mr. Pa high five choco malt eka what we a very simple okay boss high five choco malt no waje so enjoy the malt feel the chocolate that just say yana yeah kono one mo so asene Yetimi at the FABÆWOSO Ebreo and Anopay and Israel loans. Homonso Eka home. Yanani homra ye ba na fe ye de empensem pensemo aba